The Department of Fisheries celebrates World Fisheries Day 2020 at the Directorate of Fisheries, Shillong on 21st November 2020. The theme of the program is Social Responsibility in the Fisheries Value Chain. The program was conducted in the presence of fish farmers from various districts, Superintendent of Fisheries and other officials of the department. The chief guest of the occasion is Shri S.C. Sadhu, Additional Secretary Fisheries. Also present in the function is Srimati I. Maulong, Additional Secretary Fisheries, and Srimati A.L. Maulong, Director of Fisheries. The book Fishes of Rimben Borhir River, written by Dr. Bashida Masar of St. Anthony's College, Shillong, was also released on the occasion. There's also a presentation to offer awards to Best Performing Entrepreneur, in which Shri Arvind Mausor of West Khasi Hills won from Khasi region and Shri Rosta K. Sangma of Southwest Garo Hills won from Garo region. The award of Best Performing District was also present, in which Southwest Garo Hills won the award. A workshop on strategies and options for adaptation of nest practices for sustainable aquaculture was also held on this day.